Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2017 Honda CBR500R. ABS brakes, fuel injected, liquid cooled, only 2,600 miles. Awesome sounding Kaufman's exhaust, brand new rear tire, fender eliminator. Look at this beautiful red lightweight sport bike. Come on by. Make your motorcycle dreams come true for just $57.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.